right, well, good morning, everyone. Just a real important update for everybody. An extreme wind event is upon us, peaking Monday night into Tuesday morning with wind gusts of 60 to 80 miles an hour over the Los Angeles County area. Local gusts in the mountains may reach up to 100 miles per hour at the peak of this wind event. As this is the third significant wind event of the year, and we're very early into this year, the vegetation is critically dry with relative humidity nearly 10%. This means that if it is ignited, extreme fire weather and behavior is probable. So everyone here urges the community to stay alert. To prepare for these winds, the LAFD has deployed all available resources and strategically positioned fire patrols, fire engines in the high-risk areas across the city of Los Angeles. We have issued a red flag parking restrictions and is in specific designated places to allow for rapid response in our hillside communities. We are also strategically managing our emergency operations to ensure a rapid response to all new fires and anything that's anticipated with our increased call volume within the entire city of Los Angeles. In addition to this robust resources deployment of the LAFD, our regional and state partners have pre-positioned fire engines and aircrafts across Southern California to ensure a swift response to any fires in the area. Now remember, this is very, very important. Flying embers from a wildfire can destroy homes for over a mile away. Taking the necessary measures to prepare your home can help increase the chance of survival when a wildfire strikes. Please make sure that you can clear all your brush within 200 feet of your home. And for more information, visit LAFD.org/wildfire. I'll now provide just a brief update on the Palisades fire. The fire remains at 23,713 acres with 59% containment. Damage assessments are ongoing, and as of today, there have been 6,051 structures destroyed. There are currently 5,125 personnel assigned to this incident, and repopulation efforts continue. Now, I urge everyone to stay alert as the danger has not yet passed. Please follow all evacuation warnings and orders without delay and prioritize your safety. I'd like to take just a moment to thank our entire community for your continued support and readiness. Thank you to all of our first responders, everybody that's been involved in all of these incidents, not only in the city of LA, but in the county and Southern California. And I tell you, everybody will continue to work very, very hard and tirelessly. We remain fully committed to ensuring public safety.